Well, hello again, and in this video we are going to show you how to very quickly and simply install a Joomla 3 content management system, or CMS. You will see we clicked on the Manage button next to your hosting plan, and the big blue button there of course is to go through to cPanel, but at this stage we're just going to install with Installatron the Joomla 3 content management system. And you're going to be surprised how quick and easy it all is. So we just scroll down and we choose the Joomla button, and that goes to the overview of the Joomla CMS, and you can go through these various tabs: what's new, live demo, and showcase of existing installations, and there's various other statistics and details that you can check before you install. So to install the Joomla, you just literally click this button and it brings you to a page where you can enter in some key details. So you can see the location means the location on your server, and it asks you which domain to use. If you have multiple domains, it will list them here, and you can choose whatever domain you want for this particular installation, but we only have one domain here. Also, you can put things into subdirectories, which is basically subfolders. As I said before, with different hosting packages you can create one website in each folder, so you would use that folder name there. Now you will see here is some key information that is worth copying, and we have an open word processing document in order to paste in all the key information that we're going to enter into this page to ensure that we have it all in one place and we do not forget anything at all. So just tidying up this document so we know what these links are when we go back to it. So now we're looking down at the version, and this is the latest version at the time of filming. So we will put the latest version of the content management system. Our language is going to be English, and you can have sample content installed with the CMS that shows you how to use it. Or you can decide to have a completely empty CMS installation, which is what we're going to do at this stage here. We leave the automatic updates as is set, and now this is a very important part. This is the name you're going to use to access the backend or the administration of your website, and that's where you will control all the content and the menus and the structure, etc. So you will choose any name that you like for that particular username, and also you can use the suggested password, or you can put in your own password. So we record this information in our document once again so that we have everything in one place and we do not forget anything at all, because if you forget your username and password, it can sometimes become complicated to get it back. And the other thing that you should do when you're keeping this information is to copy and paste as much as possible to avoid making any mistakes. Now I know this is a simple username, but still, if you copy and paste, you know you'll always have it correct if you have to come back to this document to remind you what to do. and you will see in a moment when we finish the installation you'll be given the links to the front end of the website and the back end of the website, which is the administration, and we will also put those links into this document at the correct time. Administrator email, this is your email where you will get all the notifications with regards to your website, so you will change this to an email address that you can access very easily. And just for speed, I'm going to copy and paste that. And this can be changed once the installation is complete, or you can put your website name in at this stage. It's purely your choice. I'll leave the advanced settings as they are and then simply click the install button. Now once again you will be working directly on the server, which is a remote server, so you have to be patient and allow the server to take its time to install the files and set them all up for you, and because this is a single website hosting package, then all of these files will be in the root of the server, not in a subfolder. And as you will remember, the domain name was already attached to the root. Now it's finished installing, and you'll see how quick and easy that was. And you can see here the key links to your website front end and back end, and also there is a link to joomla.org, which gives you lots of other information, training and tutorials, etc. And you can see the key stats as well about your website. So we've copied those key links, and we're going to paste them into this document again so that everything is in one place. And we'll just tidy this up. Okay, and there you have it. We've made a record of the details, and here is the front end of a fresh Joomla installation. And we click on the administration link, and you can see that is your access to the back end. You just put in the username and password that you chose, and you'll be able to manage all of the back end.